Hello, I'm Looney, and this video is an update to my last video on this padlock shims from Klom. And I had shown that you can fold these over to make these levers a bit stronger and this edge a bit rounder, so you can use them easier. But what I had to find out is not only that this bending is very hard and very difficult, it sometimes can go wrong, and when it's not broad enough here, then the metal tends to break at this point when you use them. So I came up with something that's a bit easier, and I will show you this on camera. So we've got this shim. It's quite sharp, it has a lot of grip. So first thing I'm going to do is I will flatten this out a bit. And take away the sharp edges. You can use sandpaper for that if you want to, but a file is perhaps the easier tool for that. So now this end is less sharper than it was. Let's continue with the handles. These tubes are, by the way, very slippery. They come off very easily. And what I've got here is some sticky tape made out of aluminum. This is from 3M, and it's, I think, used for stuff with cars or something. I don't know. I got them on a bargain, and I will just take one of these and stick them here. And there's one. And then on top of this I'll put another one. Like so. So now we've got 2 layers of aluminum foil on this, which makes the handles a bit sturdier and covers the more nasty edges. On top of this, I'll take some plastic foil wrap it around. Like so. Doesn't have to look too nice, because the next thing I'm going to do is I take these rubber tubes, warm them up a bit by rolling them between my hands, and with some kind of a twisting motion, as you can see, twist, 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 put them on again. This end is a bit more difficult. Push this down. Oh, this is warm enough. And again, twist, twist, twist. On it goes. Wow, nice. Bend this in the round shape again. Okay, now I take my lock, get this open somehow. And just shape this shim to the curvature of this hole. Okay. This should be round enough, and now it's ready for use. Push down. Wonderful. Now it works. And I think this is a bit easier and a bit more stable than this mess that I made here, which will break easily and which is really a pain bending this round because it's so slim. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you today. Hope you liked this video. If you have questions or comments, please put them below, and I hope to see you again on this channel. Bye!